to another episode of Stocks to Watch with me, Stock Market Hub. I'm your host, Joe. Now, the first stock that everyone is talking about today, it's the main talking point of today. It's a healthcare stock, Viking Therapeutics. Right now, we are in the middle of a huge trend of weight loss drugs, most notably that Ozempic drug that has been going around. I think that's how you pronounce it. And now Viking Therapies has their very own one. They've just revealed their brand new experimental drug, which is currently named Oral 2735. I'm not going to be calling it that though, because it's an absolute mouthful. It's reported that the 100mg dose of their new drug has showed an 8% weight loss over a 28-day course, and early testing is showing that there is a potential for higher rates of weight loss if you continue taking this drug over a longer period. It's also been noted in their report that no patients that got involved in this trial have actually stopped taking it, and that apparently involves around 92 people in the study of which took this pill. It's pretty big considering this is an orally ingested pill and not an injection, which is obviously the preferred method for a lot of people. Pre-market trading, this was up to $90 a share from $60, which was huge. Now it's sort of tapered off again just before the market opens to around $76. I definitely think this is a pill that we should watch for the future, as they've also said in the same report that they're going to be trialing another drug very soon, so that's going to be very exciting to see where that leads. My green light behind me just switched off, which is it's pretty in line with what I'm about to say next. The Ryanair stock is really wobbly at the moment because of the new UK tax budget. The new taxes on airline tickets have it so £2 is going to get added on to a normal standard economy ticket for a short haul flight, which obviously Ryanair specialises in. This is an issue because it will make the UK less competitive as a destination compared to a lot of other European countries like Sweden and Italy, where these governments are abolishing travel taxes so they can get more tourism into their economies. Ryanair is now speaking to airports across the UK, telling them to cut their airport fees in order for this tax hike not to hit UK families. Ryanair is already dealing with a pretty big blow, as well as Boeing have been disrupted when delivering new planes to the company, so they're already expecting 5 million less passengers next year. So I would say the Ryanair stock, really hit and miss right now. We don't really know what's going to happen with it. I think we're going to see a downward trend in this stock in the coming future. And just to cap off this really quick video on this morning's market, the big fashion brand in the UK, Burberry, they jumped up 7% this morning, which is some of the first positives they've had in the last year. This is because there are rumours now going around. People are speculating that the Italian brand Moncler could be taking over Burberry. However, this is to be taken with a grain of salt. Miss Tweed, the fashion trade publication, said that several industry sources, good sources, are where these rumours came from, but both Moncler and Burberry have declined to comment. As I've already said, the takeover could be because the stock has dropped almost 50% over the past year, and this is probably down to the cost of living crisis that is currently going on. If this deal does happen, then we could have a huge outdoor clothing giant on the horizon, and that's something